Often people that are do-it-yourselfers will come to us, and it usually is around their retirement. They perhaps have been accumulating for an extended period of time and things have gone swimmingly. But now the focus has changed. The focus changes from accumulation to distribution and how to manage that distribution in a responsible way so that the pool of money never exhausts. And helping put a plan and helping apply stress to that plan, or in our terms, risk testing that, to provide confidence around the changing circumstances, to provide perhaps an elevated structure in terms of taxes if the opportunity is there. Those are elements we tend to help people with that have really been going it alone and perhaps only in their employer plan, and now it's time to think about a new phase. So there are a number of benefits working with a professional wealth management firm. The first is confidence. Building a plan, creating the confidence in order to get to your end destination. Oftentimes we're asked, am I going to make enough money to overcome the cost? We are very conscious that it costs money and we need to provide value that's commensurate with the money it costs. Advisors provide the most value when markets are volatile. The ongoing value is generally soft. The soft value comes in structure, in tax savings, and in what does not quantify in investment returns. Essentially, the value is keeping more of your investment returns rather than forfeiting them to taxing entities.